Hi, I'm Daniel here at Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda Jazz 1.5 litre petrol hybrid SR eCVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 619 miles and it's finished in the colour crystal black. It's covered super low mileage and overall it's a very excellent example. It does sit very nicely on the 15-inch wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 304 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,205 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous part leather interior with the contrasting textured cloth in the centre of the seats. It does feel very premium. The interior is squeaky clean. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. You have your huge windscreen providing you with great visibility. Moving to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right you have controls for the adaptive cruise control, an excellent driver assist feature. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to all different driving data. You do have your driver assist features including your lane departure warning system and pre-collision warning system, features that keep you and even other road users safe. You can see service information on there, and there's also access to navigation, your telephone and even your music, so you don't have to use the touchscreen that you have in the centre of the dashboard. You do have access to your trip computers as well there. Centered in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. On the system you do have DAB radio. Here you have a nice clear listening experience, and it's super easy to tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a whole list of available stations. You do also have USB connectivity allowing you to play your own music, and there's also Bluetooth as well. The system does have compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can connect through your USB connectivity, and with your Apple CarPlay it's also compatible through Bluetooth. Here you have your telephone menu through Bluetooth, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You can see all of your applications there and add to this through the Honda App Center. Below the display you have your automatic climate control, which is super easy to use. Underneath this you have two USB points along with a 12-volt socket. In the center console you have your automatic gear selector. There's also your Econ button for the eco mode, along with your electronic handbrake and brake holding feature.